When you load a new file, Power Query immediately tries to promote the first row as headers and guess each column's data type, so it adds steps you didn't create. It's not a big problem, but it is a bit annoying. Also, Power Query assumes the first row is the header, but that's not always true. In exported system reports, that first row might contain a date, title, or even empty cells. If Power Query promotes it as headers, you'll end up with weird column names, and while it's meant to help, it often just gets in the way. Let me show you what it does, why it can be annoying, and how to turn it off. Power Query doesn't always scan the entire dataset. It often uses just a preview or a sample of rows to decide column types. If early rows contain mostly numbers, but later rows contain text or nulls, Power Query might pick their own data type, like changing a mixed column into the number, causing errors and blanks. Your product codes, like 00123, can be turned into numbers and lose the zeros. Or you might get errors and nulls where you expected data. And when you are ready, you can detect all the data types at once or change them manually, like this. The same goes with promoting headers. Here is how to stop Power Query from guessing. Open the Power Query editor, go to File, Query Options, select Current Workbook, Data Load, and uncheck Automatically Detect Column Types and Headers for Unstructured Sources. To turn it off globally for all files, same menu. Go to Global Data Load and uncheck the same box. If you import files a lot, especially messy ones, this is worth doing. It's not a huge deal, but it saves time and prevents small headaches. Now you'll just promote headers and set data types yourself when you are ready. That's all. Let me know if you've turned this setting off or if you prefer leaving it on. See ya!